to log into JetBlue credit card. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can log into your JetBlue credit card. JetBlue Airways offers several credit cards in partnership with Barclays, including the JetBlue card, JetBlue Plus card, and JetBlue Business card. These cards allow cardholders to earn True Blue points on their purchases, which can be redeemed for flights, vacation packages, and many more. Now to get started, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type JetBlue credit card, then press enter to search. You'll be presented with various search results. Here click on this first link and then you'll be taken to the official website of JetBlue Airways credit card. Once you reach to this page, here at the right top you will find login button. Click on this login option and then there you will find the login interface, where in the first box you'll have to enter the username of your account and then in the second box enter the password of your account. Here make sure you enter the correct credentials. Also you can click on this remember username button if you want your username to be remembered for future logins. Now click on this login button and you'll be able to log into your JetBlue Airlines credit card. In case if you forgot your username or password and couldn't log into your account, you can click on this forgot username or password option here and then recover your username or password whichever you have forgotten by following the instructions given to you. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.